Hi students, here we are going to discuss about what is Cartan effect and what is ORD. ORD means the change in rotatory power with the change in wavelength is known as optical rotatory dispersion. It is valuable only for chiral compounds. Cartan effect is the combined phenomenon of CV and unequal velocity of left and right circularly polarized light. That is the combined phenomenon of circularly bifringes and circular dichroism. Cartan effect is the combined phenomenon of CD, that is circular dichroism, and unequal velocity of left and right circularly polarized light is nothing but circular bifringes. So it is the combined phenomenon of CD and circular bifringes. In order to study the dispersion curve, it is necessary to measure the optical rotation of a substance and absorption band of that substance. Compounds which have most extensively been studied are those in which chromophore group, that is the carbonyl group. So this Cartan effect is mostly studied in the case of carbonyl group. The special condition is there to measure this ORD. Compound must have most extensively, that is necessary to measure the optical rotation of a substance right through an absorption band of the substance. Okay. Observed precisely for the compound which absorb in the ultraviolet region, but for the compounds that absorb only in the far ultraviolet region, that well below 220 nanometer. No Cartan effect is observed because the effect occurs only near a absorption maximum. Okay. This Cartan effect is generally studied by plotting the change of the optical rotation with the wavelength. This Cartan effect is generally studied by plotting the change of optical rotation with the wavelength. This plot is known as ORD, Cartan effect curve. This can be obtained readily by spectropolarimeter. In general, ORD curve showing Cartan effect has a peak and a trough and is known as anomalous ORD Cartan curve. However, Cartan effect may be investigated by plotting difference in molar absorptivity, that is delta E, or molar electricity, that is theta, against wavelength. Okay, there are three types of ORD curve: plane curve, single Cartan effect curve, multiple Cartan effect curve. Cartan effect occurs only where was an absorption maxima. There will be an absorption maxima. Okay. But first one is the plane curve. Plane curve contains no peaks or trough and the curve do not cross the zero rotation line. The plane curve may be considered as the long wavelength end of a positive or negative Cartan effect curve. If one goes to shorter wavelength, a peak or trough is reached. Okay, once more we can go through this same thing. Plane curve contains no peaks or trough. There will be no peaks or trough and the curve do not cross the zero rotation line. This is the zero rotation line. Okay. The plane curve may be considered as a long wavelength end of a positive or negative Cartan effect. The low wavelength region, there will be no cross of zero rotation line If we are going to the short wavelength, a peak or trough will be reached. Peak or trough will be reached. Next one is the single cotton effect or curves or ORD curves. This single cotton effect curve is known as ORD curves. What is single cotton effect? In a single cotton effect curve, a maximum and minimum occurs in the region of maximum absorption. Maximum absorption means a organic compound should have some maximum absorption according to the functional group in the UV region. So this single cotton effect curve, there will be a maximum or minimum occurs in the region of maximum absorption. The maximum in the curve is called peak and minimum in the curve is called trough. In the absorption region, however, and one thing is important for this cotton effect in ORD curve. It is satisfactory only when the functional group of the compound under study has an absorption band with a very low extinction coefficient. That absorption band should have a very low extinction coefficient so that it cannot interfere with the measurement of optical rotation through the region of absorption band. We already told that there will be a peak or trough which is in the region of maxima absorption, and one thing we have to follow for this getting an ORD curve, that the compound should have a low extinction coefficient for the absorption band. Because it cannot interfere with the measurement of optical rotation through the region of absorption band. That is why carbonyl group, which act as a chromophore, due to the excitation of an electron in a non-bonding orbital n into a lower energy antibonding orbital pi, absorb UV light in the region of n to pi star transition, and its absorption is not very strong. That is why this cotton effect is morely used, or ORD curve is mostly used for the carbonyl compound. So this makes carbonyl group ideal for ORD cotton effect study. That is why most of the studies ORD cotton effect have been carried out with ketones. Cotton effect has been found to be two types, positive and negative. Consequently, the curve for cotton effect may be two types, designated positive cotton curve, negative cotton effect curve. ORD cotton effect curve is called positive ORD cotton effect curve when to approach region of cotton effect, or that may be the absorption maxima from long wavelength. Rotation first increases, that is a peak is first reached with a decrease in wavelength, but when it is such approach rotation decreases, though is reached first with a decrease in wavelength, the ORD curve is called negative. ORD cotton curve as shown in figure A. Okay. That means there are two types of cotton effect curve, positive or negative. On approaching the region of cotton effect from long wavelength, it is the wavelength region. So if we are approaching from the long wavelength region, if one first passes through a peak, then through a trough, then the cotton effect is called, this is a positive cotton effect curve. If the trough is reached first, likewise, yeah. If we coming through this longer wavelength region, it is, we are seeing the first trough, then peak, it is negative cotton effect curve. The point at which curve crosses zero axis of rotation, the point at which it crosses the zero axis of rotation, compound in wavelength very close to UV absorption maximum. That will be the equivalent to the absorption maximum. To obtain suitable curve, compound containing carbonyl group in a chiral environment are used. Okay. Next one is the multiple cotton effect curve. When there are two or more absorption bands possible for a compound, multiple cotton effect curve result. Two absorption maxima are therefore alpha beta unsaturated ketones are at 220 to 260 nanometer, a weak one about 300 nanometer. There is a cotton effect associated with it. Okay, multiple cotton effect. Next we are going to study about the application of ORD and CD in the next video. Thank you.